Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. So guys, let's go to your Monopoly app. Now tap on this album. Then tap on any album. And view a sticker which event corresponding number showing the amount of that specific sticker you have. Then you will select a friend with a list of friends that you are able to send the stickers to. Then you have to select the username and confirm by tapping send to friends. And then once you log in to play, they will be notified that you sent them a sticker. So guys, that's it. That's how you can trade cards on Monopoly Go very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.